Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to clear all search history in Samsung Internet Browser. So if you want to clear all your browsing history, all your search history, search time and visited website, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to clear all search history in Samsung Internet Browser, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Samsung Internet Browser. Click on your menu button at the bottom right, then select Settings. Now, on your settings page, scroll down, just keep scrolling until you get to personal browsing data and click on it. Now, once you click on personal browsing data, locate and click on delete browsing data. Then here, you should have access to all your browsing history, form and search history, cookies and data. Then to clear or delete all search history, just go ahead and make sure you only select form and search history. Then click on delete data. Then just put that says delete the following browsing history or data, form and search history. Then go ahead and click on delete. Once you hit delete button, you see personal data deleted and then you're good to go. So that is exactly how to delete all search history in Samsung Internet Browser. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.